Hey there. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today we're going to talk about something that can significantly enhance your TV viewing experience, connecting an external speaker to your Samsung TV. Whether you want to enjoy better sound quality for movies, music, or gaming, connecting an external speaker is a great idea. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather your equipment. The first step is to gather all the necessary equipment. For this process, you'll need your Samsung TV, an external speaker or soundbar, an HDMI cable or an optical cable depending on your speaker's input options, and a power source for your external speaker. Step 2. Identify your TV's audio output ports. Next, let's identify the audio output ports on your Samsung TV. Most modern Samsung TVs have several audio output options such as HDMI ARC, audio return channel, optical audio output, or a headphone jack. Make sure to check your TV's user manual or look for these ports on the back or side of your TV. Step 3. Connect the external speaker. Now, it's time to connect the external speaker. If your speaker supports HDMI ARC, simply connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC port on your TV, and the other end to the HDMI ARC port on your speaker. Make sure to enable HDMI ARC in your TV settings. Step 4. Power on your external speaker. After connecting the cables, don't forget to power on your external speaker. Most speakers have a power button or a remote control for this purpose. Make sure your speaker is set to the correct input source. Step 5. Adjust the audio settings on your TV. Once everything is connected and powered on, you may need to adjust the audio settings on your Samsung TV. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to the Sound settings, and select the audio output option corresponding to your external speaker. This ensures that the audio signal is routed to your external speaker instead of the TV's built-in speakers. Conclusion. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.